So in this tutorial we are going to install Laravel in our local host. There is another way with Laravel Homestead, which is an virtual machine Ubuntu 6.18.04, which includes all this software. Also there are optional ones, but we are going to install it in our local host. Okay, so installation. First things first, we are going to install the basic 4 services, which is Apache, then PHP, then MySQL, and then Phpmyadmin. After this, we're going to install the real deal, Laravel 7.x, which is this one. Okay, let's start with Laravel, with PHP. Sorry. Let's start with Apache. Okay, before that, we're going to create a directory. Make dir projects so let's start from here. Sudo get install Apache2. The password 134. Yes, we're going to continue. After this, to look into our folder, it's localhost, which is this page. This page is reflected in this direction. Okay, if we go to our terminal, ls var 3w html, we're going to see this index.html. So we're going to copy this index.html in our project folder. So cp var html index in home projects. So now we have this. How we are going to change this file, this direction, this folder to our project? Well, it's very easy. We have to make 2 changes to our document root. First one is we have to know where you are, so we are here. Copy this, sudo nano etc apache2 sites available 0 defaults. So we are going to change this one. We're going to comment it and change this one with our one. Control O, enter, Control X to exit. The second one is sudo nano etc apache2 configuration. Again, we're going to go down into the page and change this one. Control K, Control U 2 times. We're going to comment this one and change the value. So Control O, enter, Control X. Now to apply all this, we have to restart this Apache service. Sudo etc init.t apache2 restart. I think I made a mistake. More worries. Let's review. see if it works. Now it works perfectly, but we still need to change this file to make sure it is ours. How do you do that? Code index. We have to have installed Visual Studio Code or any other editors. We don't need no version control. And after this, anywhere in the page we are going to modify something. It works small by Tor. Save it, open our page, F5, it works. So first things first, it's done. The next thing is to install PHP 7.3, which is the latest PHP version stable. Latest PHP version, stable version. Okay, which is 7.3. So let's install it. Sudo add repository, sudo apt repository ppa.conf on php. We hit enter. Sudo apt get update. Then let's install the basic PHP files. Sudo apt get install PHP 7.3, PHP 7.3. Well, let's just copy this because we're going to use it quite a lot. Cli, and then come on. Okay, so far so good. Okay, now let's check the version, PHP version. So it works. Now we need to install the other remaining packages, which are quite a lot. Sudo apt get install PHP curl dev gd mb string zip MySQL mxl fpm lib Apache2 mod PHP Phpmyadmin EMAGICK recode tidy XML RPC and int L. Yes, we want to install each one of those. It's going to take a while. Before this, if we like to check the PHP version, we need to create a file. Let's create another terminal. Okay, ls, so code index.php. Let's open it. So here we're going to put the next code, PHP and to close is this. So now this is the main code of PHP info. I'm going to save it, close it, close this one, minimize this one, and in our Apache let's check index.php. It works fine. Let's just say we want to work with PHP files from now beyond, so let's going to change this directory index. So how do you do that? Well, let's go into Apache configuration, sudo nano etc apache2 mods available dir configuration. So here again we're going to create two lines. The first one we're going to comment to make sure it doesn't make any mistakes. We delete the PHP here. We're going to put it in the beginning of it. Index.php, Control O, enter, Control X. Let's restart Apache, sudo etc init.d apache2 restart. Okay, now let's go to here and delete this and put only localhost, so it works perfectly. The next thing is to install MySQL. So that get install MySQL server, and then let's put client first, and then MySQL client. Yes, install 62 megabytes of packages. This is just the client mode, client. MySQL client server, sorry. And then now there's the server, the new password for MySQL. I'm going to put 1234. Again 1234. This is for demonstration purpose only. In a real environment, it should be you should put a strong password. So let's check our MySQL user, which is root, and password. It works. Show data basis. Works by charm exit. Now the last thing of the first part is to install Phpmyadmin. Sudo apt get install Phpmyadmin, php mb string, and php get text. Install it, 63 megabytes. We're going to select the Apache2 with spacebar, tab to select OK, and hit enter. Configure database for PHP, yes, why not? Again, 1234, doesn't matter. This is just for purpose tutorial only. Now let's go here, localhost, and put Phpmyadmin. Username, so it's going to be root, and password 1234. It works by charm. Now the next thing is to install Laravel. So to install Laravel, we're going to go into official page and install Composer. Download Composer. We're going to copy all these files. Before we copy them, we're going to see I have only 2 files. After copy them, we have 3 files. So now after this getting started, install it globally. We like to install composer globally. We have to copy this file here, which has been done with sudo. After this, let's install Laravel. Composer, now install globally Laravel with composer. After this, we have to make sure the composer is on path, so we are going to access it where doesn't matter the location that we are. So we do that by doing the next thing, echo path. Okay, so we don't have this direction, the composer path. Let's create it, echo export path dollar path dollar home config composer vendor and then bin. Okay, let's do this also, dash rc. Okay, doing this, we are going to look the source. Doesn't matter, so echo path. Now it does have the composer. Okay, so this will stick on even after we are going to reboot the machine. So the next step is to create a new Laravel, so ls. Okay, if you want to separate the projects, we're going to make another project, make the Laravel. So Laravel new my project, let's just say my Laravel project, okay, which is the basic one. Is going to install the latest version of Laravel, which is going to be the 7.x. This is with Laravel. Okay, after this we're going to install another Laravel project with composer, which is composer create project Laravel. Here's the name of the project. This is going to take a while. Then we're going to learn how to create a Laravel project with a specific version of Laravel, because here we have 7. Just we like to 5.8 or 5.4 version Laravel. So my project is created. Let's create another project. So now let's see code to open the Laravel project with code. Let's go into composer JSON and see that we have the Laravel framework 7.0. After this, let's create another project, but with this time with Composer. So Composer, create project, prefer dist Laravel slash Laravel, my Laravel project 7.x version 2. Choose my save. Okay, these are two different projects. Okay, another way to create, as we saw before, another way to create a Laravel project. So after this, I'm going to show you how to create a Laravel project with a specific version of Laravel. This is going to take a while. Okay, again, let's check this. Let's check the last version of it. Composer. We are going to check here with Laravel framework 7.0. Okay, let's create another version of Laravel with, as I say, I don't know, 5.8. Okay, how do you create a project Laravel with 5.8? Well, 5.8 version 1. Well, it is simple. Let's create this 5.8. This is just the name of the project. So the name of the project is going to put it right here, 5.8. That's it. That's simple. This is my Laravel project dash 5.8 dash v1, just the name of the project. So now it creates the 5.8 as we see here, Laravel project. Okay, now if you like to work with our project, we simply go to our project, cd project 5.8, the last one we create, and create PHP artisan serve. That's it. We copy this direction, which is the same as this one, localhost, it is the same one, and this is our live project. Let's modify some of it. File, open folder, 5.8. Okay, JSON, we see here again that it is the 5.8. Let's go to public, resources, views, welcome page, and let's Laravel by tour, save it, and then F5, so it works just fine. Thank you for watching, and good luck coding. Bye.